Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur. So in my previous video, we have learned about structured, unstructured and semi-structured data types. Also, we have seen Azure storage services. So in this video, we will learn about database. In case you have missed my previous video, I will give you the link in the description so you can watch it from there. So let's get started.
So what is a database? Well, a database is an organized collection of data or information, typically stored electronically in a computer system. So what do we have in Azure? So Azure Database Service are fully managed platform as a service database services. Azure offers a choice of fully managed relational, NoSQL, and in-memory databases. Benefits of these databases are that it fits the need of modern application developers. Developers can take advantage of industry-leading innovations such as built-in security with automatic monitoring and threat detection, automatic tuning for improved performance, and turnkey global distribution. Let's see some common DB services in Azure. So first we have Azure CosmosDB. It supports schema-less data that lets you build highly responsive and always-on application to support constantly changing data. You can use CosmosDB to store data that is updated and maintained by users around the world. It makes it easy to build scalable, highly responsible application at global scale. Second, we have Azure SQL Database. Well, it is uh, based on the latest stable version of Microsoft SQL Server database engine. SQL database is a high performance, reliable, fully managed and secure database that you can use to build data driven application and websites in the programming language of your choice without needing to manage the infrastructure. Okay, this is also an important service, Azure database migration. The Azure database migration service is a fully managed service designed to enable seamless migration from multiple database sources to Azure data platform with minimum downtime. So these were just few of the Azure database service offerings. You can take a pause to review other database services and find the product as per your need. You have Azure database for SQL. You have Azure database for PostgreSQL. You have Azure database for MySQL. Some more database services also we have, like uh, like we have discussed Azure CosmosDB, and we have Azure database for MariaDB also.
Alright, that is all for this topic. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share this video with the people who can take advantage of these free learnings. Thank you everyone. I will see you in my next video.